Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. My 2022 Mach-E behind me is already 2 years old, and Ford recommends replacing the passenger air compartment filter at 2 years. So today we're going to do that, and you could save a lot of money doing this yourself. So today we're going to go through the process, and I just purchased a cabin air filter online at Amazon. I will put a link below if you want to grab one. It was only about $15. I'm not sure what the dealer charges for all this, but it's easy enough to do for yourself. So let me show you. All right, so we're gonna start with the glove box open. And the first step is to pull off this little strut. That's a dampening strut for when you open it. And just gonna get in there and simply pull on it. Then there are two clips on the inside of the box where you're gonna push in to release it from the outside. And oh, all my stuff's gonna fall out. Oh well. So there behind the glove box you will find this is the blower motor, this is the filter up here. But what you're looking for are two clips at the top of this cover that you're going to release and pull back this lid. So you're going to pull both clips out and then pry off this lid. It's a little bit hard to do with one hand here. And there is some cabling that you have to kind of push out of the way as well. But there you go. There's the Ford filter. And just note, this airflow is down, so it's coming in from the windshield cowl. So we're just gonna pull this out. See how dirty this is. All right, came out pretty easy. It is pretty dirty. It's black, and I don't think this was a charcoal filter. Doesn't look like it. So this new one does have that activated carbon and baking soda, which will absorb some smells. So pretty cool. That's an improvement over the OEM one. So let's just slide it in. Again, you're gonna want to make note of the airflow symbols. So this has to go down and slide it right back into that slot. And I tell you what, this Ford has so much more room compared to my other sports cars, and it's very easy to do compared to them. So that's in there pretty good. And just slide this cover back up. Again, there is this cable at the top that you kind of have to push out of the way, and then just snap those clips in. There it is. All right, now we simply close the glove box. It self-clips, and then we need to attach this little damper arm. That's it. Simple as that. Make sure it opens and closes. Yep, so that's all there's to it. Be sure to see that link below for the filter on Amazon below. Please give it a thumbs up if this helped. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.